Hello guys, this is a small video to show how to log in with your Google Suite. You have to just log in with your Gmail account which is given from your department. Log out from your personal account. This is very important. Once you go for Google login, now we have logged in through the department email ID and the specific password which is given to your department. Now once you click that, or once you log in, you have an icon here, Google Apps. You click that. Now you have multiple options. One is Google Calendar, then you have Google Meet. The Google Meet is an application in which you are going to conduct the class and the links which you are sending to all the students. This is Google Calendar, where you are going to schedule your class so that you can share it with your students in advance. Once you click that Google Calendar, now today is the 20th. If you want to schedule a class on 21st, click on 21st, and if you want to add one more class by at 12 o'clock, just click it and give it as a demo 1. Now you schedule a class at 12 o'clock, 12 to 1. Then you go and add Google Meet video conference. Okay, then you go and save it. Now this event has been saved. Now if you want to share this with your students, you just go and click it again, and you have join with Google Meet, and you have a double square here. You can copy that conference link, and you can also directly open the WhatsApp web here, and you can post it to the required groups directly without saving the link anywhere. Or you have another option to mail for your guests. If you want to invite someone, you can directly mail it here. Now once you have scheduled it, how are you going to join it, or how are you going to present it? Now before anything, you just keep your PowerPoint ready, and again go to the specified day on demo 1. You open that, join with Google Meet. Now you can switch your camera on, or you can switch it off. Then you have an option to present. You can go and click it as present. This is join now. This is the same option for all the students which you are sending, and you are going to present. Now click present, and you have an option here, Chrome tab, entire screen or application window. You select the entire screen. You can select that, and then only the share option will come here. You share it. Now your desktop entire screen is seen to the audience. Now immediately shift to your PowerPoint, and you can continue your class. Take an audio confirmation from your students whether you are audible or not. Then you can continue class as usual. One more difficulty what you have seen is admitting the students. So to admit the students, you have a extension in Google Meet. It is nothing but you have Google Meet Auto Admit extension is there in the Chrome. You can download that. There is also an application called as Google Meet Attendance Collector that will collect all the attendance whoever have attended the class. So this is a useful link which you can all use it.